Hello everyone, it's the Brick Public, and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade your LEGO clone medics. This is going to show you how to upgrade 2 LEGO clones and make them into medics. The clones I'm using today are the 212th Trooper from the ATTE and the 501st Officer from the new 501st Battle Pack. We're going to start with the 212th Trooper, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, helps me out a lot. And let's get going. So these are all the pieces you're going to need for the figure. So take the figure apart, just like that. Take the legs, you don't need the torso anymore, get rid of it. Take the legs, add a red trimmed black waist cape. The color is red because medic logos are typically red, and I thought, well, medic symbols are red, so I'm just going to make the waist cape red. Add this 212th Airborne Trooper torso on top. Add this Clone Army Customs backpack. You don't need the medic logo on there, but I added it because I think it looks cool. Add the head. Add the torso. And then add the rangefinder. Just like that. There's the first figure complete. Looks very nice. And let's go to the 501st figure. So these are all the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. So once again, take the helmet off, take the head off, take the torso apart from the legs. Take this normal 501st legs, add a black pauldron with a blue trim, add that on, add the torso back on, take this arm off here, and add a red one on. I just realized I have to take this apart again. Add this, what is this? This is a Airborne Trooper cloth piece, but a heavy cloth piece works too if you have that, because I have a lot of videos where it's a heavy cloth piece instead of an airborne one. So add that on. Add it on just like that. Add another Clone Army Customs backpack. Add it on right there. Add the head on. And then add the helmet on. And there's the last figure complete. Once again, looks very nice. I added the red arm to symbolize like it's a medic, just like the waist cape for the last one. And there's the last figure complete. So let's go to the outro. So those are the two finished figures. I really like how they turned out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't. Helps me out a lot. My decal commissions are open once again. Email me and we can figure stuff out. My email will be in the link in the description, not the link. It will be in the description. And yeah, if you haven't, go watch some past videos. See what else I have to offer. And with that out of the way, thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.